Fall is in the air, and when the weather is cool, it's perfect timing to take on a family camping trip. But what to take with you? Metro Mom Barb is back with an essential list of family camping gear. What are we going to take with us camping? Because I'm going camping this week.
Well,
this is perfect timing.
There's so many great accessories and things that you can take with you. I love Kelty for anything family camping.
Okay.
And there's a couple of other items that I brought too. But first you need a big enough tent. And this is the Kelty Mach 4 air tent. What's very unique about this is there's no poles to mess with or possibly break.
That's what I need.
It inflates by air.
Awesome.
And it's tall enough so that you can actually stand up and get dressed in it. And then it has very flexible room structure so that you can section off private areas for the kids to sleep. And then there's a front living room area for everyone to hang out in, or mom and dad to have a glass of wine in while the kids are getting to sleep.
Oh, wow.
So that's a really
I like
neat
that.
tent.
That's cool.
And then you need sleeping bags. I really love Slumberjack. This is the Country Squire 220. And when the weather gets as cold as 20 degrees, this is really great. It's going to keep you toasty warm. But until then, it has strippable layers that you can take off.
Oh, that's neat.
So that you can make it just right for this warm weather.
So if it's really hot, which it will be this weekend,
just strip off the layers. And I love that this zips out and goes right in the washing machine, so you can keep it nice and fresh.
So you don't have to wash this whole honking thing. That's awesome.
Nice and fresh.
That looks like a very cozy sleeping bag.
Slumberjack has great for the whole family.
What's the brand again?
Slumberjack.
Slumberjack.
Yeah,
okay.
and that one's the Country Squire. All right, from Insect Shield. This is a bunk sack, and it's a sheet. It's a sack.
Okay.
And it's perfect for anyone in the family. You'll see it's long enough for the tallest member of the family.
Yes, I have one of those guys.
Now, what's unique about this? It can go inside the sleeping bag or it can be used on its own. But this is insect protection. Insect Shield has a process where they bind permethrin, which is basically the active ingredient in lice shampoo.
Okay.
They bind it to the fibers, and it repels fleas, ticks, flies, mosquitoes, biting flies, gnats, anything. It repels it off of you, and then that's your personal area of protection. And this is washable as well. And then in your lab, you've got the outdoor repelling blanket, which is really nice and big. So again, throw that on you while you're winding down for the night. That's washable too, and that comes in a lot of different colors. So each person in the family can have one of those.
I need to take this with me.
And they also do have bandanas, so you can keep these tie around your ankle or put them in your pocket, but that gives you a nice, again, area of protection.
Okay.
All right, over here, Junior wants their own tent. This is from Pacific Play Tents, and I love this because it's so quick and easy to set up. Like a pop-up? It's a pop-up tent. Okay. It's one touch, and it's called the One Touch Tent. And this is UV protected, so that's really nice to help make sure keep those harmful rays off of the kids.
It's very cute and colorful.
All right, now for seating, I've got the Kelty low-down chair, and what I love about this is it is slightly reclined, so this is probably the most comfortable chair that I've ever seen for camping, and it does have its cup holder, but look here, very important, it also has the bottle opener.
Oh, how cute.
And of course the cup holder there.
I love that. All right. I like it because it's low to the ground, perfect for the short-legged girl.
Low-down chair. All right, now where's baby gonna sleep?
I don't know, don't got baby no more, but that's
the hardest thing. This is the Journey Bee crib from Parent Lab. It is under 12 pounds, and you're not gonna believe how quick and easy this thing is to set up. It is literally
Are you kidding?
Just like
Why didn't they have this when I had babies?
You gotta start over.
No.
And then of course it has mosquito netting to go with it as well. And when you're ready to explore, you want to take the Kelty Pathfinder. This is the 3.0. And now this has an auto-deploy kickstand. It does have a suspension system to keep the kids nice and comfortable. It has a 5-point harness for safety. It has a removable diaper pad and day pack, and of course a bottle compartment there as well. So the kids can go with you. They can go on mom and dad's shoulders without getting too tired and still be high up enough to see everything.
How heavy can a child be in that?
It's really a matter of comfort for mom and dad.
All right.
Yeah, it's a tough little thing. All right, now when you get back, you're going to be hungry. You're going to want to cook up something great. So this is the Kelty Base Camp Kitchen.
I got to see this.
And it's very, very lightweight. It's on an aluminum frame, but you can see it's got a zipped-in pantry. It has multiple shelves. It has hooks,
this is
paper towel
totally
holder,
my thing.
a windscreen. I mean, this is for something so small and it folds down so flat. This really has a big function.
Is that a separate chair on the bottom? What is that?
That's just a separate
storage
shelf.
for pots and pans,
have a workspace,
your bread or whatever you want to put in there.
And then because Kelty's so great at having things folding down, this is the foldable cooler. And this is actually a full functioning cooler. It folds down for easy storage. It's very lightweight. It's not that bulky plastic. And you can see it pops right up. It has a waterproof liner inside, molded cup holders, and it holds quite a bit of your needs in it.
That is fantastic. How much is this whole little kitchen unit? I'm just curious.
The camp kitchen's a couple $100. The cooler is, the size is $75.
All right.
All right, and then finally, when it starts to get dark at night, This is the Kelty lamp, but this is also an MP3 player. So look in the back. You can hook up your phone, and what's so neat about this is the LumaSpot Rhythm, is it does have the LEDs. It also has disco lighting as well.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
And it has a hook so that you can hang it, and it runs on
awesome.
batteries.
Thank you so much. All of these are great tools for us to get out and start enjoying some cooler weather.
Yeah,
so thank you again, because I'm heading that way soon.
Great.
Y'all can check out these products again by going to dthebroadcast.tv, and we'll be right back. Thank you.